Introducing GoSU, a smarter way to navigate campus. Created by Luke Butcher, Nico Dunlap, Nick Hubbard, and Lois Katari.
By analyzing the existing solutions, we found that for many students, the current bus system is hard to navigate and it's hard to track the buses accurately. This means too much time and thinking is required from the user. You have to manually find your building, find the nearest stop, find the right bus, and then guess if walking is faster. The existing app doesn't help you make a decision. The core user need we identified wasn't just, where is the bus? It was, what is the fastest way to get from A to B right now?
Find the bus system at OSU so hard to navigate that they recommend just buying a bike instead. But it doesn't have to stay like this.
As a student off campus is making sure I can get to class on time. Any application that enables me to optimize my day and allows me to lessen my mental load helps. We believe this is something that could easily bring massive value to students who rarely use the current bus system. We hope that iteratively working through our project may bring huge value to people and set the stage for future improvements to the CABS bus system.
The basic information to plan your bus route, our app takes the processing load away from you and calculates the optimal solution for you. It streamlines the process of getting out to class and may even help you get more time more often.
Time for our demo, so let's let the app load real quick. All right, now you can see our map loads with all the bus stops and buses for the Ohio State CABS system. We can click on each bus and we can click on each stop to see what the name is. And then once we know our destination, we can type it into the search bar. And we can have a custom start location as well. So here we're going from Blackburn to Siebert. Now we press directions and we find a route. Now if we want to find from our current location instead, we can do as shown and press the top right, and there's our new route.
Works under the hood. The app opens, we get your location, fetch static building and stop data, and start a 15-second refresh for live bus data. 2. You press go. We instantly calculate the total walk time for comparison. Then the algorithm runs. It finds all bus stops near your start and destination. It loops all relevant trips and checks if the direction is valid. For valid trips, it checks the live bus data to get the real ETA. Then it adds the four parts: the walk to, the wait, the ride, and the walk from. And the result, the algorithm finds the single fastest trip and updates the UI.
Process, we started by whiteboarding the flow and chose React Native for the single iOS and Android codebase using VS Code Live Share to collaborate. We integrated the OSU Bus API for the live data, which feeds our map with a 15-second refresh. We had to process the GeoJSON polygons, which are the building outlines, into a single points for our map, which we wrote into a custom script to parse and convert all 200 buildings. We wrote the core routing algorithm itself, all the functions to find valid trips, check directions, get live ETAs, and calculate the fastest path.
Encountered was having the GeoJSON polygons for each building, but React Native Maps actually needs a single point, so we can put it on the map. Instead of manual entry, we wrote a program to automatically find the center point of every building polygon, which automated our most complex data problem and gave us the clean buildings.json file that powers our app.
We have several ideas of how we can expand and improve in the future, from a technical scale, a feature scale, and a social scale.
Thank you for listening, and that's OSU.